we've got to nourish ourselves really well to optimize our immune health. So my green smoothie recipes are all things that have helped people reverse their immune diseases. Well, it also helps them get healthy.
What about being generally healthy? My understanding is that when we're fighting off some sort of pathogen that we've had familiarity with in the past, that's been around a while, if we have strong immune systems, then we're better able to fight it off. But with something like this that is brand new, and my understanding is nobody has developed antigens to fight it off, are we any better off if we've been having our green smoothies and doing all the things that you and our other plant-based doctors talk about?
1,000%. So what you're talking about is two different things: immunity versus building up your immune system's health. So immunity is only gotten by exposure to the virus itself, where you've had it and you healed from it. Now you have antibodies against it, or potentially a vaccine where they expose you to something that helps you create antibodies, right? So that's what immunity is. And none of us have it yet. That's what a pandemic is. It's a global rise in an infectious agent like a virus where nobody has immunity. So that's what we've got going on right now. So we can't develop immunity without exposure of some kind, right? Either to a vaccine or to the disease itself. But we can make our immune system healthier, which is exactly what we should be doing. I'm telling people, listen, don't buy all the chips and ice cream now while you're sitting home watching Netflix. We've got to nourish ourselves really well to optimize our immune health. So my green smoothie recipes are all things that have helped people reverse their immune diseases. Well, it also helps them get healthy. People tell me all the time that not only do I not have lupus anymore, but if I get a flu, it lasts one day instead of 2 weeks. So that's what we're doing. We're going to use the greens and the flax and chia seeds, the omega-3s, high water intake, all of those things to boost our immune system ability to fight back so that if we do get sick, it'll be a much shorter course of the illness rather than it being longer because your immune system is suppressed. I believe that's one of the reasons why the young folks have been getting sick, even though we thought it would only hurt the vulnerable, the elderly, the immune compromised. We have all these spring breakers now that have the illness, and some of them are serious. And it's because they were out there not sleeping, drinking alcohol, vaping, smoking. So their immune systems were compromised because of that, which made them have a more difficult course of the illness than they would have had if they were healthy. So we need to do everything we can to optimize our health right now, which means emotional health, because emotional stress is inflammatory and hurts our immune system, and eating the best foods that you can, getting in exercise however you can, so that you are the healthiest version of yourself right now, just in case you get it, and you'll be able to fight it off better.